Fields it to the far circle, one-timer save, rebound, score! Banged in by Carter Bear, and the Silvertips strike a man up! Van Hanen looping behind the net, 2 seconds in, one, they score! They score! The wraparound beats the clock! Silvertips lead it 2-0! Van Hanen stepping in across the slot. Bear looking towards the net. They score! Carter Bear catches a stick. Power play goal. He's got his second of the night. Getting Van Hanen on the left wing. Back to DuPont towards the net. They score! Tipped in front by Ryland Gould. 24 seconds into the third period. And the Silvertips are up 4-0. Across the zone. Rudig stepping in. Rudig to the net. He scores! Kane Rudig with a snipe. Silvertips up 5-1. And the Everett Silvertips still control downtown Seattle. Lyman Pledge Arena for the third time is Silvertip country. Tips stay perfect in the Battle of the Sound. They win it 5-1. Carter Bear with 2 goals, Matthias Van Hanen with 4 points, and the Silvertips once again enter into enemy territory in the house of the Kraken, the Storm, and the Torrent, and they pick up a W.